Yo, this is Midas, and today I want to talk to you about another pick on the crypto MidasVault featuring SCA, also known as Scallop. So, disclaimer, the video is for educational purposes. Make sure to do your own research. So, first of all, what is Scallop? Scallop is a peer-to-peer market maker or money maker for the Sui ecosystem. It allows users to borrow, lend, and swap tokens on Sui. When you lend, so pretty much how it works is that when you lend, your word is up supply APY, very similar to when you're staking on any sort of other blockchain, except the token leaves your wallet. That's sort of where the big risk comes from. And when you borrow, you must present an equal collateral in order to map that. But because of this lending and borrowing scheme, you're able to yield farm, have earning more compared to if you were just lending or if you were just borrowing. It also offers SDKs, which are development tools for professional traders. So for the bull case or scallop, like I mentioned, that yield farming strategy, what people have been doing is that they've been staking like a stable coin such as USDC as collateral, borrowing another stable coin like USDT, which is the safest way to avoid liquidation because they're pegged to the US dollar so that both coins won't like ever drop that much unless we have another situation with the forgot the token's name, but that token just collapsed with the US dollar. Happened a couple years ago. And from there you can stake USDT. From the strategy, you can gain around 20 to 53% supply APY compared to the base of, I believe right now it's like 19% on Scallop APY from just lending. And like I mentioned, lending is also equivalent to staking. So when Sui was 1 USD, Scalp allowed you to get 30% plus APY from lending Sui. The only risk with lending is that the token leaves your wallet, but you gain a boost to APY compared to just staking. So in the wallet, on the Sui wallet, it's around 2% for staking, but with lending on Scallop, you get around 4%. And also with the APYs, so the APY will be changing every single day depending on the utilization rate, which is what is being supplied divided by how much is being borrowed at that particular token. And if there's a high utilization rate, that means you get a higher APY, and vice versa, you get a lower APY if the utilization rate is lower. You can also rest assured that your assets will be secured. They have many partnerships that of Web3 companies that are focused on cybersecurity and making sure that the assets are secure on DeFi projects. Team also has a cybersecurity and CTF challenge background. And they also offer a bug bounty. So if anyone finds a bug on the platform, they'll reward them with X amount of dollars, depending on how severe that bug is. They're also the first DeFi protocol to receive an official grant from the Sui Foundation. They have many investors, such as Qcoin Ventures, Miston Labs, which are the people that have created the Sui blockchain, DWF Labs, and they're also part of the Sui Gold Rush. So that means that when Sui explodes, all DeFi projects on Sui will explode, becoming that next ecosystem, very similar to like Solana, where all the altcoins blasted off in the last bull run. I think Scale also has a very user-friendly UI with Lite. So they have the Lite version and the Pro version. With Lite version is for new people coming into the platform wanting to experience how to lend and borrow. It just has minimal features. And they also offer the Scala Pro version, which is more for advanced traders having all the liquidity pools, the utilization rate, supply APYs, and just showing a lot more information. This is more for people that have already used Scallop in the past. So this future milestone of Scallop is that they also have that token unlock schedule. It's going to be every single month on the 7th, and it's around a couple millions of tokens unlocked every single month. So it won't disrupt the price as much as other tokens. Now for the price targets, the current price sits at 30 cents USD. Current crypto ranking is 941, and the current market cap is 23 million. So for reference, I do stake my Sui Deeper Protocol USDC on the Scallop platform. I linked that it's probably my favorite DeFi project on Sui, and been doing it for a year so far, and it's been pretty trustworthy. And finally, for the projected price of end of year 2025, I think it'll hit a price of around $5 plus. That's all I have for today. I will catch you guys in the next video.